5-minute artisan bread. Never buy bread again. Bread is really important for many people and many different cuisines, and some people can't eat their meals without bread. Some people say that bread is the ideal addition to almost any food. And trust me, after watching this video you'll never buy bread again. Why? Because when you buy bread from a market you're getting bread that is full of additives. And yes, you can save money by making your own bread rather than buying it. Well, to be honest with you, I really think that you've seen artisan bread before, but you've probably never seen it as easily made as this. Yes, and trust me, this recipe is incredible and it takes about 5 minutes to make it. As we said, this recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients. 3 cups lukewarm water. 1½ tablespoons granulated yeast or 2 packets granulated yeast. 1½ tablespoons sea salt. 6½ cups unsifted organic all-purpose flour. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you should add the yeast to the lukewarm water. Then you need to allow it to warm and dissolve following directions on yeast package before adding the rest of the ingredients. Now you should mix in the flour and salt and add flour 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. You may need to adjust the amount of flour based on humidity conditions. You're finished when everything is uniformly moist without dry patches. After that you should cover and let rise for 20 minutes. Punch down dough, let rise until double in size. Note: make sure you put in the refrigerator. After that you should divide the dough into 3 even sections and form each into a ball. Place on a baking pan that you have dusted with a little flour to prevent from sticking. Dust the outer edge of each dough ball with a light coat of flour to prevent sticking. Cover the dough on the pan or stone with a towel and let rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure you preheat your oven to 450, and right before placing in the oven, take a sharp knife and make a couple of slits in the top of the loaf. The purpose is to allow the moisture to escape as it bakes. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a nice day.